Welcome to HIMT. Let's see the online procedure for applying an Indian CDC. The eligibility criteria for applying an Indian CDC are: an applicant should be a citizen of India. An applicant should be medically fit and possess a valid certificate in the form prescribed under Annexure 4 and 5. An applicant must have completed the following courses: Basic STCW Safety Training Course, Security Training for Seafarers with Designated Security Duties, or Ship Security Officer. An applicant must not be less than 18 years of age. An applicant must have passed 10th standard from a recognized board or university. Documents needed are: passport size photograph with clear white background in the size of 3.5 cm into 3.5 cm, scanned signature of seafarer in black ink, color scan copy of the original passport, colored scanned copy of the original 10th standard pass certificate or mark sheet, color scan copy of original medical fitness certificate from DGS approved doctor, color scan copy of original permanent address proof, any of passport, Aadhaar card and permanent driving license. Photo format: passport size photograph with clear white background in the size of 3.5 cm into 3.5 cm. Signature format: scanned signature of the seafarer with black ink in the size of 1.5 cm into 3.5 cm. Medical certificate: color scanned copy of original medical fitness certificate from DGS approved doctor. Passport: color scanned copy of the original passport in a single PDF file. 10th mark sheet: color scanned copy of the original 10th standard pass certificate or mark sheet in PDF format. Let's see the online process of applying CDC. Go to www.dgshipping.gov.in. Click on e-Governance and select e-Governance. The login page will be opened. You have to provide the user ID. This is the INDOS number of the candidate. Password is the INDOS number of the candidate followed by 1. Click on Login. Now select CDC Management and COC as Cook. Select Submit Application. Click on CDC Application. The instructions for applying CDC will be displayed. Click on Continue. Now, the personal details of the candidate will be auto-generated. Select the office. Select the category. Provide the father's name of the candidate as per passport. Provide the passport details, passport number, place of issue. Select the date of issue. Select the expiry date. Now provide the 10th standard pass certificate details, the name of board, year of passing and the certificate number. Click on Continue. Now provide the address details of the candidate. The address should be the present address of the candidate with the address proof of the same. House number, street, village, district. Select the state. Provide the PIN code number. Phone number with STD code. Nearest police station where the candidate completed the passport verification. Email address and the mobile number of the candidate. Click on Continue. Now provide the details of next of kin. The name of next of kin should be the father's name or mother's name of the candidate. Relationship with seafarer, father or mother. house number, street, village, district. Select the state, phone number with STD code or mobile number PIN code. Click on Continue. Now, STCW course details will be auto-generated. Click on Continue. Provide the medical certificate details, name of the doctor, DGS approved number for doctor, place of issue of medical certificate. Select the date of issue of medical certificate. Select the expiry date of medical certificate. Click on Continue. For online CDC application, you have to do an online payment of 700 rupees. Click on Continue. You will be able to see a declaration for the candidate. Click on I agree and then click on Generate an application number. Now, you will be able to see the application number for online payment. You have to click on e-payment. After successful payment, you will be able to see an online application. Download the online application. Get it signed by the candidate and upload it on the document upload section. After uploading all the documents, click on Submit.